What I vow is to laugh with you in joy, to cry with you in pain, to grow with you in faith, and to walk beside you through whatever life brings.
Maybe it's for a reason.
Today,
For the
I stand
moment
here with
I've
you,
been told.
and I know without a doubt that I have found the person I want to walk through life with. Kung babalikan ko lahat ng nangyari sa atin, hindi ko na maiisa-isa. But I thank the Lord for our friendship and the relationship na meron tayo. May ups and downs, hindi laging kilig, kundi may iyak at heartaches din. Those challenges shape us, at dito tayo nag-grow as a couple.
On to you. I wanna hold on to you. I just wanna hold on to
I vow to protect your heart as my own and to always see you not just as my wife but as God's greatest gift in this lifetime, our lifetime. Ate Jelly, Tart, mahal, hal, mama, mahal kita. Noon, ngayon, at habang buhay.
Maybe we keep repeating every cycle known to man.
Thank you sa lahat ng sacrifices mo, sa lahat ng efforts, at higit sa lahat sa pagmamahal, pinaramdam mo sa akin. Especially, I'm not easy to love.
And I love to hold your hand.
I thank God for you. You are my answered prayer in my waiting season. You are my partner, my best friend, and the one God placed in my
I
life.
just wanna hold on to you.
Patuloy kitang pipiliin araw-araw at simula mamaya, pati gabi-gabi.
I wanna hold on to you. I just wanna hold on to you.
Ang pag-aasawa ay pagsasama ng dalawang hindi perpektong tao. Kaya asahan nyo na merong imperfection sa relationship ninyo. Asahan nyo na merong imperfection sa pagsasama ninyo. Pero siyempre, ang pag-ibig din ay triangle. Ikaw Shamgar dito, si Jelly dito, yung sa apex ng triangle, si Lord.
I wanna hold on to you.
Masasabi yung tagumpay, yung pag-aasawa nyo, kapag aalagaan nyo yung mga anak nyo.
I wanna hold on to you.
Normally, husbands do not like na pinagtataasan sila ng boses. So, kailangan pag gusto mo siyang pagsabihin, diba, sinabi ko naman sa'yo, huwag mo nang gagawin yan. Dapat ganun lang.
I wanna hold on to you.
Kaya ang pag-asawa ay kalooban ng Panginoon. RR, Jelly, nagdesisyon kayong mag-asawa, then tinutupad niyo yung purpose ng Panginoon. And congratulations. Salamat sa inyo. Sa mag-asawa po, ang I love you ay commitment. Kaya napakahalaga bilang mag-asawa, lagi nating sasabihin yung salitang I love you. RR, huwag mo kakalimutan yun. Kung hindi ka sanayang magsalita ng I love you, sanayin mo na ang bibig mo araw-araw ng I love you. So RR, si Jelly, equal mo, poprotektahan mo, mamahalin mo.
Sa pagkumpas ng iyong kamay.
Always to your future.
Oh, Jill, after 31 years, good riddance.
Thank you for loving me. And ayun, thank you for supporting me sa lahat ng gusto ko. Always. Ayun, so, mahal ko kayo kahit may ibang bahay na ako. I love you all.
So, more love, more patience for both of you. And nawa ay biyayaan kayo ng Panginoon ng supling sa lalong madaling panahon. God bless you.
Nahanap din kita.
It has always felt natural and real. And today, hindi ko lang sasabihin na mahal kita. I promise to live that love every day. I promise to be your teammate in all things, to support you, to respect you, and to listen when you need to be heard.
Ito talaga man.
Be a good husband. Alam mo naman ng daddy mo, maging example si daddy. So, basta lagi yung kasama si Lord.
Huwag niyong kakalimutan si Lord lang. May pasukin kayong business, kapartner niyo si Lord lang. Ang kinabukasan niyo, ipagkatiwala niyo sa Lord lang. at ang inyong pamilya sa Lord lang. The rest, si Lord nang bahala sa inyo.
Sa 31 years na magkakasama tayo, wala akong ibang nakitang way ng pagpapalaki. Walang tama, walang mali. Kundi yung way ng ginawa. Kukunin ko yun, ito-treasure ko para sa sarili kong pamilya soon. Kaya maraming salamat sa inyo dalawa. I love you both.
I promise to pray with you when you feel lost and to celebrate with you when we feel found. I promise to keep learning how to love you better, not because I have to, but because I want to. I promise to stay healthy and fit para maalagaan kita at ang magiging anak natin. No matter what comes, I will choose you. And with God's help, I will love you the way you deserve to be loved. Fully, faithfully, and for a lifetime. Salamat sa Lord. Super thank you sa Lord. He made me wait because you're worth the wait.
Yes, marriage is a happy moment. Wedding is a happy moment. Marriage is a happy thing. But there are difficulties. Ang gagawin natin, lapit tayo sa Panginoon kung dumarating ang ating mga pagsasama mag-asawa sa isang mahirap na kalagayan. The Lord is good. Hinihintay lang niya tayong lumapit sa Kanya. But He wants to help us. Gusto niyang tulungan tayo ayusin kung ano man yung gusot ng pag-aasawa. If there are difficulties in marriage, come to the Lord. God is good.
At this point, hindi na natin masasabing bumabata pa tayo. May madadagdag ng bata sa pamilya natin.
Siyempre, congratulations muna sa aking sister at and Kuya Shamgar. Ayan, alam mo na, medyo yung mga dugo namin. So, pagka nagkaanak kayo, matik na ang Mondragon yung ugali, no?
Remember, mahal na mahal ka namin at ngayon kasama na natin si Jelly. Mahal na mahal namin kayo. A marriage should be more beautiful than the wedding.
Yun, always be patient and understand. Be each other's biggest supporter. So kahit down na kayo, you have to support each other.
Talagang malaking role yung you never give up on each other. Minsan lumalabas yung ugali na hindi maganda, pero kailangan never give up on each other. Number 1 is all about God's purpose. Pangalawa, marriage is all about partnership. Pangatlo, marriage is all about permanence. Ang pag-aasawa ay tungkol sa panghabang buhay na pagsasama. RR, Jelly, walang expiration date. Magsasama hanggang kunin tayo ng Panginoon. Ang pag-ibig ay matiisin, mapagtiwala, puno ng pag-asa at magtitiyaga hanggang wakas.
I can confidently say their love story is the ultimate example of perfect timing. Like God's version of right place and right time. I know God brought you together to be partners not just in love but in life and faith. Cheers to you both and may your marriage be full of love, laughter, and blessings. I love you both.
It's you and me, moving at the speed of light into eternity. Yeah. Tonight is the night. You join me in the middle of ecstasy. Feel the melody and